Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a grow light setup for about $25. Now this is what it looks like. So what I've done is I've just taken a regular, I think it's like a 30-gallon trash can, and I picked this puppy up at Walmart for probably about $4. I got it on clearance, but I think even normally they're only like a couple bucks. So they're not very expensive, super affordable, and plenty of room to be able to keep a nice set of seedlings or even just like one or two individual plants inside. Now what I've done with it, I've cut a hole in the top so that I can insert my grow light, which is on this lamp cord, which I got this cord for, again, probably like $3 or $4. It wasn't very much money. Just a super cheap, I think it's like a 5-foot lamp cord from Walmart. And then I've got tape right there so that I can move this lamp cord up and down to change the position of my grow light in there. You can kind of see it going up and down when I move it. Now on the inside, what I've done is it's super shiny, right? So I took some of this metal tape, which you can buy this for probably about $5 at any hardware store. They'll have it. Normally this kind of stuff is used to like secure the exhaust pipes and stuff like that on dryers. But I figured it's great for this purpose because that's probably one of the shiniest things I can think of. You see how shiny that is? It's like a mirror. Now, I coated the entire inside of the trash can with it because you want that extra reflectivity so that you're not wasting light. It's basically just a bunch of extra reflectiveness so that your plants will grow a little bit faster. And then when you do that, remember not to forget to coat the lid because light's going to bounce all over the place in here and it's going to bounce up to the lid as well. So you don't want to waste any of that light if you can help it. Now, the grow light I got from Amazon, and it was about $9 or $10, and it's from General Electric, and I chose this one because, one, it was really cheap, and two, I wanted a nice, compact, like, single light bulb, because I wasn't doing, like, a whole big setup. I was just doing something really small for if, like, you're confined on space. So you can see it right there dangling on the lamp cord. So it fits amazingly with this. It's like the perfect size for this trash can. And they actually have two varieties that I bought. So this one's for flowers and fruit. This one's still in the package there. And this one is basically, if you look right there, you can see kind of like the spectrum that the light's supposed to put out. And so this one's going to be more of a light in the red spectrum, which is what plants that are about to start producing fruit, they need that to pretty much encourage them and stimulate like their hormones that tell them that it's time to start producing fruit. And then the one that I have in here is actually a balanced spectrum light, so it's kind of just like a good all-purpose light bulb. And then also, if you're lazy like me, you can buy a timer. Now, I did not include this timer in the price because you really don't need it. All you need is to be able to unplug the light and boom, the light goes out. And then when you plug it back in, the light comes on. So if you can tell yourself that you're not going to be lazy and you're going to make sure to keep this light on for about 12 to 16 hours a day for your plants, then by all means go for it. But I am super, super lazy. So I picked up this timer. I don't remember how much I spent on it. I know it wasn't very expensive. But I basically have this set at a 16-hour interval so that this light goes on at about about 6 o'clock in the morning and then turns off again at 10 o'clock at night. And yep, that's about it. Super easy, super simple. I think it took me maybe about an hour and a half to put this whole thing together, and no more than about a $25 investment into it. And I use this thing mostly for starting seedlings, as well as if you really wanted to, you could probably keep one or two individual adult plants on it. But it can't fit a ton of big plants, but it works absolutely fantastic for seedlings. So if you guys like this design, definitely give it a try. One thing, if you wanted to do one little improvement on it, you can maybe cut a hole in the side and then another hole on the opposite side and mount a fan just to get some airflow going through it, because that can help prevent a lot of like diseases from your plants. But I generally don't keep plants in here long enough for them to really develop diseases, because I'm really just using this to start seedlings. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a like, a comment, and maybe even subscribe. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I'm posting more gardening related content on this channel all the time, so check back later for more. Bye.